Startup Magnifi has created, potentially changing the way you shop for investments. You enter a search like funds that do well when the market falls, and Magnifi scans more than 2,000 ETFs and 7,000 mutual funds for results. It compiles data on what people are searching and popular investment themes like driverless cars, robotics, streaming, and Bitcoin. Joining us now is Vinay Nair, founder of Magnifi and a former Wharton professor. Vinay, great to have you with us.
Thank you, Vicky. Pleasure to be here.
So basically, you can enter. It uses natural language search, so an average person can type in how do you invest in X, Y, and Z, and then what? Does the site also enable you to go ahead and make that purchase once you've come up with the results?
Yes, it does. Essentially, think of it really as simplifying the entire process of discovery, diligence, and some action. The action varies depending on who the user is, all the way from a purchase or potentially a proposal for a client.
So how do the mutual funds and ETFs get listed? How are you making money off of this? And how, as an investor, do I know that the results that I get are unbiased results and that they aren't paying for placement in that search?
So Magnifi is really, think of it as a one-stop shop. It's a brand new, different type of marketplace for investments. And what makes it really different is this combination of language intelligence, natural language intelligence with investment intelligence. And the entire objective here is to provide high-quality answers to investment questions fast. Now, what our vision really here is, the language of finance, as you very well know, is not simple. You know, it's complicated, full of tickers, screens, esoteric. And what we want to make this world of complicated language is much more accessible. And Magnifi allows you to go in, ask simple questions, you know, like you said, funds that do well when markets fall, and even new things that the engine is learning. For example, we had several searches about how do you invest in ventilators, which of course was not envisioned when we launched. So all of this allows front-end usage, and we provide a premium subscription to some users to do further things such as purchase. And we also help asset managers sponsor one result on top that allows this marketplace to get formed.
Okay, so you take advertising from mutual funds, which may turn up in the search results. I want to talk about some of the trends that you're seeing. What are the most popular trends you see investors actually searching for and actually hitting the buy button on?
So it's been fascinating. As we launched this earlier this year, and we've had about 800% growth in search volume, as well as assets behind the users using Magnifi. So today there's about $200 billion in assets behind the folks who are using the platform. 1/3 of that audience, essentially, think of it as finance professionals, so advisors, wealth managers, portfolio managers. They are searching very different things from what the self-directed end investors are looking for. So in answering your question, I think maybe I'll just touch upon that a bit. The self-directed end investors we find are pretty active with thematic searches. So think clean energy, climate change. We saw a big increase, about a 6 times increase, 624% increase in searches on healthcare and biotech post-COVID. We also saw increase in trends such as LGBT during the Pride Month. Right. So there were flavors of the month, there were flavors of even day. FANG stocks shot up when the big tech CEOs were providing testimony. And there's also a flavor of the times, which is climate change, relatively stable through this period.
Okay. Vinay, we got to leave it there. Thanks so much for your time. Interesting product. Vinay Nair, Magnifi. Joe.